Today I'm going to show you how to foam roll your calves. If you have any kind of shin splints or plantar fasciitis, knee pain, foot pain, this might be the place that you need to go to find lasting relief. So the tool I'm going to use is a 6-inch wide, 36-inch long foam roller. This one is black. It's one of the firmer models, and that's really helpful for working with the calves. So we'll first start with the gastroc and soleus. I keep saying in all my videos, you don't have to know the anatomy, just your body. So when I use the muscle terminology, that's for those of you out there who are anatomy buffs. But for those of you who are plain Jane and Joe, just want to feel better in your body, just know that this means the back of your calf. So we're going to put our calf on the foam roller and start to walk it down and up. And you might find that, there's some tight spots already, and you might not feel anything at all. You know, it's kind of hard to put pressure onto the foam roller from this position with your calves. So let's say you find that tight spot. You've done your exploring, you're looking for what we call a trigger point or the epicenter of the pain. And once you do, you can take the other leg and push it onto that calf. And notice that, once I do, I'm rolling to and from, not just up and down. There's a lot to explore here in your calves. This allows me to apply more pressure as needed, and if that's still not enough pressure, there's two things that are happening here. A, you're going too fast, and you're not allowing the muscle to slow down, relax, and open. Or B, you might need a little more pressure, and you can lift yourself up with your hands and go back and forth. But I find that the more you can relax, the more the muscle will let you in. So before you jump up on your hands, really try to slow down. I find that if you really take your time and find a way to just relax, that the muscle opens up more and you really don't need as much weight as you thought you did. So calves are also one of my favorite muscles to work with my partner. If you have a friend or a loved one in your house, you can trade calf work. Basically, this allows you to really relax so you can kind of come back into this position, get your foot or your calf on the foam roller, and your partner can come put their hands on either side of your calf, and you can tell them how much pressure you want or don't want. And from there, you can do the movement, but you don't have to do the work, and that's so nice to have that gravity. I've also used sandbags in the past on my leg, but nothing works quite as well as a partner that can take really good directions and help support you in loving yourself. And then you get a trade. So you can also foam roll the front of your calf. This is really good for the shin splints and the tibialis anterior and all of those muscles. I find that just getting up onto the foam roller and then tilting my body to the side, I can go back and forth and find the tight places. And once I do, breathing, relaxing, waiting for the release. You can also use the leg that's off of the roller to cross and work the calf behind as you work the front. You know, it's funny, the first time I rolled onto this, I didn't feel anything. I'm like, I'm not even tight back here. But now as I'm slowing down, I'm realizing that there's so much truth to slowing down with foam rolling, giving yourself time. I'd rather see somebody spend 4 minutes on one muscle than do 4 muscles in 1 minute each. So once you find those tight spots, you notice I just took a seat. I just relaxed onto it. That's a good place for me. There's not too much pressure. I feel like I'm at a level 2. I could breathe here and move a centimeter at a time for the next 4 or 5 minutes. So really finding a place that works for your body where you can stabilize and hold yourself, yet also hold enough weight onto the muscle without too much, okay? So that is foam rolling your calves. Let me know how it feels. Leave messages down below, and please subscribe to my channel.